This long way.
Where?
Other end. Long way.
I can't see him. Where is he? I can't see him. Oh, here he is. Oh, oh my god! Oh no! Oh,
Wait a minute.
oh my god!
Is he in there?
Where is he?
Wait, open the door.
He's not here.
Yeah. Oof. How was your lunch anyway? Did you enjoy your lunch?
Yeah, what I had of it. It flew away about a couple of hours ago, I guess. I was in the tent and the old guy ropes come out, then a swirl of dust just come through, filled up the whole tent.
Did you see any wolves?
I said, get me the out of here.
Did you see any wolves?
No, I can't even see the camel, mate.
Yeah,
The sand has shifted.
we couldn't find our way through the dunes. Oh.
How long have you been on the ground for?
A couple of hours, I guess.
A couple of hours? Yeah. Oh, nightmare. These guys have been so worried about you. Sorry, all of us have been worried about you. But these guys have the whole time been going, let's get there, let's go. I promise we came as soon as we could. Oh, wow.
Yeah, we did stop for lunch on the way though, sorry.
Yeah, that's right, mate. No, did you have a beer?
Did you film any of it?
It did that. No, it came in, it was gentle, then it just sped up and sped up and sped up. And I phoned Tuppence a couple of times saying, look, there's a sandstorm on its way.
Hi Tuppence, we've got Terry, stop the clock. He's still alive, but it was a close thing. We actually thought he wasn't there.
We had to check.
Yeah.
We weren't 100% sure you were underneath it, dude. It looked like...
I thought you were kidding.